In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Shopify in a way that's straightforward and efficient. Whether you're a new store owner encountering your first obstacle, or an experienced merchant facing a sudden hiccup, reaching out to Shopify's support team can be a critical step towards finding a solution. Let's walk through this process together, ensuring you can get the help you need when you need it. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Shopify's homepage. This might seem like an obvious step, but it's where everything begins. You can easily find the website by searching for Shopify in your preferred web browser or by entering the URL directly. Once you've arrived at the homepage, you're ready for the next step. Now you'll see a login button typically located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will take you to a page where you're prompted to enter your login credentials. It's a simple step, but remember, having direct access to your account is crucial for getting the most tailored support experience. At this point, you'll be asked to enter your email address. Make sure you use the email associated with your Shopify account to avoid any confusion or unnecessary hurdles in accessing your account. Enter it carefully to ensure accuracy and then proceed to the next step. After entering your email, you'll be prompted to input your password. Do so carefully, and once you're sure everything's correct, click on the login button. This action will grant you access to your Shopify admin dashboard, the command center for your store. Within your dashboard, you'll want to navigate to the My Store page. Here, you'll find a comprehensive overview of your store's performance, recent activity, and more importantly for our purposes, access to Shopify's Help Center. This resource hub is where you can find a wealth of information and support options. Look for the Help Center button, which should be easily identifiable. Clicking on this will redirect you to a new page where Shopify aggregates helpful articles, tutorials, and most importantly, different ways to contact their support team directly. At this stage, a chat box will appear on the right side of your screen. This feature is particularly useful for addressing quick questions or issues that don't require an in-depth investigation. The chat option allows you to communicate in real time with Shopify's support team, making it one of the fastest ways to get answers or steer you in the right direction for more complex queries. Throughout this process, it's essential to remember a few tips to ensure a smooth experience. Always double check that you're using the correct login credentials to avoid unnecessary delays in accessing your account. Be as detailed as possible when explaining your issue to Shopify's support team, whether via chat or any other communication method they provide. Providing specific details can significantly speed up the resolution process, as it helps the support team understand your situation better right from the start. Bear in mind that Shopify's support team is there to help you. No question is too small or too complex. They've seen it all before, and their primary goal is to ensure you can run your store as effectively and smoothly as possible. To wrap up, contacting Shopify's support team can be done in just a few steps. Navigate to Shopify's homepage, log into your account, find the Help Center, and finally initiate a chat for quick questions. Remember, thorough preparation and clear communication will make the process as efficient as possible. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Navigating the world of e-commerce can be challenging, but with resources like Shopify's Help Center, you're never too far from finding the help you need. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue or just looking to maximize your store's potential, knowing how to quickly and effectively contact Shopify is a valuable skill for any store owner.